Subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for more videos.
Sundar 1997 Enterprises Inc. presents Dark Meowser hits Meowser Jr. This video was requested by Chicago Blackhawks Fanatic 2020. Also, it was inspired by Python the Plotagonist and Gamer 2020. Also, it is based off the TV show Arthur. And also, this is my first episode of Dark Meowser Gets Grounded series, so enjoy.
I wonder if Dark Meowser's plane can fly. Oh my god! It didn't fly. I better tell Dark Meowser about this. Dark Meowser, you've built your plane all wrong. It can't fly. Oh come on, I built it just. Wait! What? If it could break the sound barrier, falling out of the window shouldn't be able to break it. I told you not to touch it. You built it all wrong. Did you even read the directions? It didn't fly for 1 second. It's not my fault that you built a plane that can't fly. I told you not to touch it. Wah. That's right. Run away, you crybaby. Dark Meowser, 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 Dark Meowser. Get over here right now. Oh no! I'm screwed.
Meanwhile,
are they going to amputate my arm?
No, Meowser Jr., it's amputate, not amputate.
Are they going to amputate?
No, I'm in charge, and I'm going to put ice on it.
Ouch, 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 ouch.
What's wrong, Meowser Jr.?
That's cold.
at the living room.
Apologize to your brother right now. No, he should apologize. I've been working on my plane for 5 weeks, and I told him 12 times not to touch it. You're bad.
Dark Meowser, this means no TV for a week.
What? That is so unfair. You don't even care what he did to me. Look, we'll deal with what he did, but what you did was wrong too. Man, my life sucks. I should have listened to Meowser Jr. when he told me that I built the plane all wrong.